So hi guys, today we got two packages from FedEx, and first one is comparatively a bit smaller one. So yeah, this is the thing, and the second one is quite big. So I don't know how much this weighs even. So according to the package, it weighs 1.1 pounds, and this one is a bit small. So let's unbox the following things. So let's start with the small one. Let's see what's in there. So yeah, I got this right. And oh, so this one is socks from VMware. So yeah, this is a socks from VMware. So yeah, so these are VMware Tenzu socks which I got in KubeCon. Just open the following thing. Yeah, so these are cute VMware socks, and I think there is some plastic in it, but that's very unnecessary. And then yeah, thanks KubeCon, thanks VMware. Let's get to another package. So yeah, this is a big package. So this is not from VMware, this is from another company. Let's open and see which company this belongs to. Oh, so yeah, we have a lot of things. So yeah, so there is a list of things, but let's walk through them. And some unnecessary paperwork. So firstly, we have a cap. We have a cap from Hudson Trading HRT. So yeah, I will give you a picture like how the cap is. The cap is for a warmer climate, or you can say it's for winter, but winter is far away, so I'm gonna store that at my warehouse. So yeah, the cap is good. And then we have 3 t-shirts. So 3 full t-shirts, 2 blue and 1 green. So yeah, let's see. The first one is HRT Maths. So let's open the following thing. Yeah, so yeah, so this one says like HRT Maths, I heart maths. So yeah, this one is the maths one. I love the color and the lightweight of the t-shirt. Let's go on to the another t-shirts. So yeah, this one is I heart code. So, yeah, this is IHRT code. Yo, so let me throw in the maths one over this. And the last one is like, I don't know, it's just a size written. Let's open this. This is a surprise one, I guess. Oh, this one. Yeah, this is the one. Let me show you. So yeah, this one, and this one has an emblem over here too, which is like HRT, Hudson Trading Company, and the cute cap, and followed by 2 VMware socks. The socks are cool, but yeah, that's all it. Thanks for watching the video, and let me know any suggestions, and follow to subscribe my channel, and also just have a nice day ahead. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and share with your friends for more unboxing. And by the way, I have a Telegram channel in which you can join for that. so that you can get links for more swags and all those stuff. So it's in progress. I'm attaching the link on the chat section. Just join through. Bye bye, have a nice day.